The Aam Aadmi Party chief, who has been charge-sheeted alongside his party by the ED, is currently out on interim bail in the Liquorgate case. The Supreme Court gave him relief so he could campaign for elections and then surrender to the authorities again on the 2nd of June. During this time, Kejriwal is not allowed to comment in public about the Liquorgate case probe, but according to the BJP, that is exactly what Kejriwal did in his speech at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters yesterday before embarking on that march to the BJP headquarters.
इतने आरोप लगाए, अब कह रहे हैं कोई शराब घोटाला हो गया, शराब घोटाला हो गया। जनता पूछ रही है भाई शराब घोटाला हो गया, पैसा कहां है? खुद ही जाके ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कहते हैं हाँ जी पैसे की तो कोई रिकवरी नहीं हुई। तो क्या हवा में हो गया क्या शराब घोटाला? कहीं बाकी रेड वेड मारते हैं ये, कहीं नोटों की गड्डियां मिलती हैं, कहीं ज्वेलरी मिलती है, यहां तो कुछ भी नहीं मिला, चवन्नी नहीं मिली। कहते हैं 100 करोड़ का घोटाला हो गया, 1000 करोड़ का 1000 रुपए भी नहीं मिले, 100 रुपए भी नहीं मिले। कहां गए सारे पैसे? बिल्कुल फर्जी केस इन्होंने बना बना के हमारे लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया।
He has brazenly defied the conditions passed by the Supreme Court. A, his order was unprecedented. There was no precedent for releasing a person for the purpose of campaigning. However, he has not respected the liberty that has been granted by the Supreme Court. And today, by commenting on the role of his case in brazen defiance of the Supreme Court order, clearly he doesn't believe in the rule of law, and he believes that he has every right to shamelessly, brazenly defy the institution.
Ramay, has Kejriwal violated his bail conditions?
So this issue was even raised up before the Supreme Court. However, the Supreme Court refused to take up this issue. Supreme Court stated that we won't be dealing with this. Now, the condition which was set up on the Arvind Kejriwal is that he won't talk about his role in the Delhi liquor scam case. Now, if we hear to these statements, so ED had even stated before the Supreme Court during the hearing that Arvind Kejriwal has violated the terms and conditions of the Supreme Court's order. However, the bench led by Justice Sanjeev Khanna had stated that our order is very clear. He has to surrender on June 2nd. Now, we are not going into any of such issues. While on the other hand...
Please allow me to interrupt you there, but that comment was a different statement altogether. That hearing and those observations came from the Supreme Court when Arvind Kejriwal's this quotation was cited where he said that if people vote for me, then I will not have to go back to jail on the 2nd of June where he's supposed to surrender. To which the court said we will not interfere into this matter and we welcome critical analysis of our judgment. But this time around, he's being accused of violating the bail conditions because he is talking about Liquorgate, a scam where he's allegedly involved and is being investigated for. Is that a violation of the term and conditions set? Because as you just reminded us, it was only about his role. Did he speak about his role in the speech?
So exactly, we can say that he didn't speak about his role in the case because these are the similar conditions which were even put on Sanjay Singh. Now, this talking about the exercise policy scam case wouldn't in itself be the breach of the conditions, but talking about his particular role, influencing the witnesses, talking to the witnesses, or talking or detailing his role in this whole liquor policy scam case would be violating the Supreme Court conditions. However, to say that they claimed a liquor scam took place or to talk generally about it or to tell about what ED is doing or what the other government is doing, to have general statements wouldn't exactly be the violations of the Supreme Court condition. Now, if it is the violation of the Supreme Court conditions and if it is felt by the other side, then it depends upon the agency or the appropriate people who are feeling so to move to the Supreme Court stating that he violated the conditions. However, that is what I was reminding, that it had come before the Supreme Court dealt with it and they refused to interfere.
All right. The BJP, nonetheless, Ramay, is going to make a political issue out of it. We'll see what the court has to say if the matter reaches the court.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।